Hey guys, here's why it's so important to talk to a lender early on in the home buying process. So a lender will tell you how big of a loan you qualify for. This is called getting pre-approved, and it's absolutely critical that you do this if you want to be able to make competitive offers on homes that you like. The second piece of this is to ask, what will your monthly payments be? Interest rates play a huge role in what your monthly payments are. We'll talk more about that later. But basically, you want to have a monthly payment in mind. And then your lender can tell you a price range to stay in to make sure you maintain that monthly payment. So the second reason that it is so important to talk to your lender is they will tell you what your down payment and closing costs will be. So overall closing costs typically include more than just your down payment. It's critical to have these conversations early on so that you make sure you have enough savings to cover the costs so you're not totally strapped for cash at the end of the day. The third reason why it's so important to talk to your lender is they will fill you in on what the interest rates are doing, going up, going down, how this is going to affect your monthly payment. So take this example, a $300 purchase price, you put down $20,000. So say we have a loan for $280,000 over 30 years with an interest rate of 3.5%. Your principal and interest payment at those numbers will be $1,257 a month. Now, if we take a look at an interest rate of 7%, how does this change the numbers? Everything else stays the same. Your monthly payment then becomes $1,863, and that is just principal and interest. Oftentimes, your monthly payment will include other things like taxes and home insurance as well, so keep that in mind. This is a big difference between $1,257 and $1,863 monthly payment. And that's exactly what's been happening in this market. So when people say interest rates have been pricing them out of homes, this is what they're talking about. The same price home costs more each month just because of the monthly payment. Again, it is so critical to have these conversations early on with your lender so you understand what you're getting yourself into. The last thing I want to bring up is lenders often can offer you different types of loans, different types of programs, depending on your specific situation. For example, if you're a first-time home buyer, they may have specific programs that kind of reduce the burden and cost to you. So it's really important to ask these questions and make sure you're getting into those programs if they have them available. This is a critical thing to ask. You really don't want to be missing out on these programs. So make sure you ask your lenders what type of things they offer. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Scroggy. I'm a real estate agent here in the Columbus, Ohio area. If you ever have questions about real estate, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to answer questions and talk about real estate. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting a ton of real estate content to this channel, probably about once a week. So tune back in and I'll see you next time.